Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite go-to nude lips, mattes, and glosses, as well as cream sheen slash satin. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
Hey guys, so on the first lip, this is going to be a peachy corally lip. I'm going to be using Bubbly Bear from MAC Cosmetics as well as Taupe from MAC Cosmetics. This is definitely on the girl next door vibes, first date vibes, flirt with me vibes. This lip is really cute and yeah, it actually really goes well with this makeup look. So before I forget to mention, I set my lips with foundation and, set the foundation with a setting powder. And this makes your lip product stay on forever, like your lips won't budge. I'm going to be using Brown from NYX Cosmetics. It's their lip liner. And then I'm going to be using Flesh Pot from MAC. And I applied Flesh Pot using a brush because the tube lipstick was kind of like mushed in there. And then I'm using this lip gloss from MAC Cosmetics. I don't remember the name, but I will have it written down in the description. But I just totally love this combination. It's on the lavender taupey side vibes, and I just love it. For the third lip, I'm going to be using Cork, of course. This is OG. This is from MAC. And then I'm going to be using Truffle by Dose of Colors over it. And this is your everyday nude. This nude can work for work, school, the library, gym, wherever you want to be. This lip got you covered. It is your everyday perfect nude if you're in my shade range. Like, you just can't go wrong with this lip. You just can't. It's pretty impossible. And so for my fourth lip, I'm going to be using Strip Down from MAC Cosmetics. If you ever felt that this color was going to be too light for your skin tone, go ahead and cop it because it's not. Like, I've been sleep on this lip liner for so long because I thought it'd be too light, but it's really not. It's like perfect. It's not too brown, not too orangey, but I just love it. And then I'm going to be using Dose of Colors, Knock on Wood, right over it. And then I'll be applying Supernatural over that because I'm going for a lighter, peachier lip vibe. Okay, I gotta stop saying that. But I'm going for a lighter, peachy lip. And then you can stop right here if you want that matte lip. I'm going to go ahead and use this lip gloss from MAC Cosmetics. It's called Prancing and Dancing. It's from their holiday collection a while back. And this is another lip that I'm living for. I love it.
I hope you guys enjoyed how this video turned out. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know which combo was your favorite, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Sound down below. And if you want like a darker lip series, just stay tuned. There's more to come. Love you guys. Bye.